the advice of putting a to-do list is a little trickier. Tomorrow it's wear the long johns. By Friday it might be wearing the flip-flops. Around here you just don't know what the next day's going to be.
I think the nice thing is we get a chance to catch up again. You know, we were so cold for so long, and then it was nice and everybody got a chance to get out and catch some fresh air. We're going to do that again as we go through the week. Thaw a little bit. And I don't think we're going to have as much of a problem with flooding because we don't have a lot of rain coming. Ice jams could be an issue again on some of the roadways or waterways. Let's take a look at where we're standing right now. We do have the radar popped on for you with the snow, and the snow is coming down. This is all associated with the Clipper system, fast-moving frontal system that is coming through northern Ohio, and you can see the heavier snow is now down towards Steubenville. Still a good little batch of snow down around Newcomerstown, and then we've had this little squall that's come down just on the south side of Akron. Showed you that a couple minutes ago. Inhibiting visibility, putting a quick slick on the roadways, so that could make things tricky, but for the most part, this will be moving out, and ODOT will have time to be catching up as we go through the night tonight. That next little batch of snow is sneaking northward, but I think that will miss much of our area. If anything, we'd have some lingering flurries in the morning, and you can kind of get the general rotation that this storm system has going with it. We'll probably start to see a little kick of moisture coming in off of the northern lakes, a little residual moisture from the storm system late tomorrow into early Wednesday that could bring us some light snow. But other than that, we're not anticipating any major problems out of that. Just kind of zooming into Cleveland here, showing you things are clear, and farther to the south, we'll just kind of take a little tour. There we go. We have temperatures that are in the 20s at the top of the hour, and things are looking good, right? Not so much, because it's cold just to the west of us, and that cold air is moving in. The Clipper system is a cold front, the front of colder air, and it's now 7 in Indy, 12 Chicago, 2 Minneapolis. This quick hit of this cold air will be sweeping through tomorrow. We won't be making it out of the teens, but the bulk of the cold air will probably be centered on tomorrow into Wednesday morning, and then we'll start to warm things up. So that's certainly some good news. But you can see that front as it goes down to the mid-Mississippi River Valley and even farther south. See this pink shade? They're getting a wintry mix down in Dallas, Texas. And I think tomorrow morning, if you have travel plans into Dallas or into Houston, you may have some issues with the airfare because it does look like we are going to have some problems as far as that goes. Here's a look at temperatures in the early morning hours. 6 a.m. temps in the teens, and we're single digits farther to the west. Below zero wind chill readings will be the rule as we go through the day tomorrow. And as you can see, by afternoon, we really don't make it up all that much. I think mid-teens will be about the best we'll be able to do, but it will be dry. And I think we're going to get to see some peaks of sunshine as we go through the day. Then tomorrow night, we could see a light coating of snow on northern Ohio once again. Universal Windows direct forecast. Sun peaks for tomorrow, but cold with temps in the teens. There's Wednesday with those morning flurries I mentioned, and then by Thursday we're partly cloudy and 30. 37 on Friday with mostly sunny conditions. Clouds will be increasing Saturday, then rain moves into the forecast for Sunday. And then Monday, temperatures start falling, and we'll change that rain back to some snow.
And just because you like us that much, you gave us that little sample, and
just
hang on to that as we get toward the weekend.
You stayed up this late for us. We appreciate it. There's a little prize.
Thanks, Betsy. Nice.